I don't think you should just get cards on your birthday, and that's why I'm partnering up with Adobe to design and print these fun thank you cards for my clients, friends, and family, all in Adobe Express. I mean, come on, how cute are those? I start by choosing a greeting card template as my starting point, and I like the layout of this one, but I know there's more I can do to make it feel perfect for my business. So I switched the font to one of my favorites and add this custom outline. And I really do want to send the message that in a world where we send and receive tons of messages per day, thank you is one that should stand out. So I swap out these shapes for message icons, and I add a little bit of fun by searching for some smiling faces and some other doodles too. To really make this pop, I add in some pop art textures as well. And I finish it up with a nice message for the inside, and this card is ready to send. Especially since I can print it and have it sent right here to my door in Adobe Express. By clicking this print and deliver icon, I can choose from real life products that my design is going to be printed on and shipped to me. I can toggle on margins and bleed lines to protect my design, and my favorite feature is how I can see a mock-up of what the product's actually going to look like as I work on it. It gets updated in real time too, so any changes I make on the design are being changed on the mock-up. This is all important for me to do before shipping it to my house. So altogether, here's how I went from this template to my own custom card, all in Adobe Express. And I would really like for you to do the same. Adobe Express is free for everyone and anyone to use on desktop and mobile, so I want to see what cards you can make by remixing this template. You can easily do some color swaps, type your own custom message, and why just stop at sending it to clients? Remix it for your veterinarian, your dentist, a teacher for back to school. You get the point.